MEMS company presentation. The company MEMS was established in 2008 based on the experience since 1973 on high technology instrumentation. Founded by Mehmet Turken, BSc Electronic Engineering, and the son Berk Turken, BSc Industrial Engineering. Specialized on marketing high-tech equipments for surface, semiconductor, MEMS, and device manufacturing business segments. The coverage of the market is followed up by the self-built ERP system, MEMS ERP, which is starting from the year 2005. Our database, as to date, has more than 12,000 contacts. Most of these contacts are including the email addresses and also the mobile phone numbers. Again, most of the contacts are classified on their areas of interests. We have more than 2,150 institutions in our database, which naturally has more than one contact usually. The workflow is followed up in terms of the project files, tender files, contract files, order files, and service files. All progresses are kept in files chronologically. The tender details are stored in the tender data file, and the terms of the tender are sent to the principal companies automatically from that file. Order details are also stored in the order data file, and the order terms are also sent to the principal companies automatically from that order file. Classified data is listed as requested, and mailings are done both printed and electronic formats. Mailing responses are fed into the database automatically. In this example, we have 364 responses to the electronic mailing that we have done, which goes directly into the relevant contact data. Our experience is since 1973. We are very highly respected in the market with our well-established relations. We have strong experience in tender and procurement procedures, tender laws, and international business. Strong technical background and advanced communication skills to and from the customer is our strong feature. Our vision is that Turkey has a vast potential for high technology market. With its more than 500,000 students studying in more than 150 universities overall in the country, we have a very strong potential. We as MEMS can and should contribute to this potential. And success is the key word for us into the principal company and also to the customers. Our mission is to achieve successfully working solutions. This way, we make parallel sales to the same applications to other customers, as well as vertical sales to different applications of the same customers. Repeat orders is the most important figure for us, which is a good indication of customer satisfaction on the previous transactions that we had. Our sales cycle is as follows. Our task 1 is to understand the customer's problem and conduct it to the vendor correctly. For this, we need technical competence. We rely on our technical competence. Our second task is to make sure that the customer expectations and the vendor offerings match. We should avoid over expectations of the customers and overkills from the vendors. So we should have a matching expectations and offering. Task 3 is after task 2 is successfully completed. We now need to guide the vendor through the procurement procedures correctly. This is important to avoid accidents in the tenders. For this, we rely on our experience, like missing documents, wrong papers. This has to be avoided. This needs experience from our side. Task 4 is to guide the customer for correct and timely payment, and also to follow up that the vendor ships out the delivery in time and complete. For this, we need also experience to guide the customer through the procurement, payment, and the procedures of the regular tender laws. Our task 5 is, after the shipment is done, we follow up that the installation is made to the satisfaction of the customer, which is very important for the repeat orders and also parallel sales to the similar applications. Then we come to success. This success gets us more business in the market. Parallel sales, vertical sales, other type of successes. And we start to look for other customers, other prospects. Thank you very much.